First, we'll start with breaking news. We have been following, there was a grass fire along the interstate on I-49. It's been having a lasting impact on your drive home tonight. Looks like most of the traffic is clear. This is a live look at that at the interstate right now, but that's definitely improved from what we saw a few hours ago. And there might even be some slow spots that you hit, but right now it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, so take a look at this video. This is from earlier this afternoon when our crews were heading south on the interstate. You can see the smoke impacting visibility there. Now, this fire started near Elm Springs and it spread fast because of the dry conditions outside.
And this is another look from that area. Firefighters were there trying to put out the flames. We did learn from Benton County emergency managers that Lowell Fire Department had crews that responded to 2 structure fires in the same area. So we're trying to work to figure out exactly what happened, but we'll keep you updated as well on the traffic conditions through there.
Tonight in our Commitment 2024 election coverage, a special justice has been named to help decide the medical marijuana ballot battle that's before the Arkansas Supreme Court.
Brett Rains has more on who the governor appointed to decide if your votes will count when it comes to expanding access to medical marijuana in Arkansas.
According to today's latest filings with the Arkansas Supreme Court, it could all come down to what the word sponsor means and if a sponsor's agent can sign off on required paperwork for gathering signed petitions. And now 2 special appointees with strong ties to the governor will help decide the issue before voters weigh in. The organization Arkansans for Patient Access sued the Secretary of State after rejecting the medical marijuana expansion initiative over newly signed petitions and the required paperwork for hiring and training paid canvassers. According to Arkansas Code, a sponsor must obtain background checks for paid canvassers and certify that each canvasser has no disqualifying offenses. In this case, the sponsor affidavit is signed by Larry Baggett, the manager of the company hired to train and manage paid canvassers. According to state code, a sponsor is a person who arranges for an initiative or referendum petition, or the person who files it with the Secretary of State's office to verify signatures. According to court records, the Attorney General says only directors or members of Arkansans for Patient Access can certify the required paperwork. But they say the Secretary of State incorrectly interpreted the statute. While the issue will appear on November ballots, votes will not count unless the Supreme Court rules for Arkansans for Patient Access and orders the Secretary of State to certify the ballot measure. On Monday, Governor Sarah Sanders appointed Don Curdy as special justice to help decide the issue. Curdy is currently on the Arkansas State Board of Public Accountancy, which oversees CPAs. According to their website, Curdy previously served as a federal administrative law judge. His profile on the Republican National Lawyers Association webpage says Curdy volunteered for numerous campaigns, including for Governor Sanders. He joins attorney Belinda Harris Ritter, who was appointed last week as a special justice. Ritter currently serves as the Republican nomination on the State Board of Election Commissioners. The special appointments were made after Chief Justice John Kemp and Associate Justice Courtney Hudson recused themselves from the case without offering any additional information about why. The organization Protect Arkansas Kids has also signed on to the lawsuit, claiming that the ballot title is misleading. And as of right now, there's no word when the state Supreme Court will issue its ruling. In Fort Smith, Brett Rains, 4029 News.